What's up, guys? Um, First and foremost, apologies for being so late to the video. We've been suffering with load shedding here in South Africa, so things are a little bit weird right now with being able to cash inties and being able to maintain like a schedule with live streaming and everything. With that being said, that's the reason we didn't go live this week. So quick video, guys. We just want to have a look at what's gonna happen in the Nasdaq, right? So with NAS, we see, just to recap, our sell sentiment that took place on the 4-hour chart that we shared. The NT was up here to carry this one down. As you can see, that profit was hit. Then I shared this buy setup here as well, guys. With our guys in our Discord. This buy setup here, right? Sorry, guys. And now what do we look for NAS right now? So I'm just gonna do a quick one on NAS. So where we are now, yesterday I could have actually taken that sell, but like load shedding, obviously, causing a lot of nonsense. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna wait for Nas to break this area. If my sentiment is sell overall, but I'm gonna wait for Nas to break this area here. We're gonna scalp because it's Friday, and what that would look like is this, right? We need to break below this area before I consider taking the sell. So a break and retest, yeah. So come down. I'll forfeit this because I'm conservative. This up here, down. If we can't break below here, hard luck, I'm not going to take it. Alright? We made enough pips for the week on Nasdaq, guys, so there's no sense in being greedy right now. Then we want to look at the buy possibility, right? So just go back to 4-hour quickly. I just want to see something. Okay, cool. So if we look at the H1 chart, right? We see there's a big possibility of a buy as well. But what kind of buy would you be looking for on a Friday? Me personally, this is what I'd be looking for. I won't take in this vicinity here. I mean, there is a buy that you can take, maybe break retest and run it up till there, like short scalps, run it up till here, short scalps. But because it's so early, what I'd like to do is I'd wait for London to pass by and break above if we buy, guys. Like I said, my sentiment is still kind of to sell. If we do buy, what I'd like to do is I'd like to buy from here. Yeah. Break and retest of this line here. And then yeah, you could chase from here, or you could chase it up to here, up to you guys. That would be what I would write. But you always remember, guys, no retest, no entry, break, retest, in. Right? That's what we're looking for right now. Then we quickly want to have a look at GBPJPY. Once again, the target was hit here on the sell side that we shared. That's fine. What do we look for now? For GBPJPY, my sentiment was kind of buy, but it shouldn't buy for much longer. It's just kind of trying to take out the imbalances, which it now seems to have completed most of it already. So if we buy, I would want to break above this level, retest and up. Or if we sell, I would want to finish now. As you can see, it's finishing the completing the imbalances here. Pull back down, come here, break this line, retest, down again, and then I'll chase to this previous low here. Now, just one thing I want to tell you guys is there is GBP news today, and that's for the GDP. So if the GDP is good, this will pan out. If it's bad, this will pan out. But with the higher low, you kind of now working on a 4-hour time frame, you begin to see that there's a little tiny trend line running here. Yeah. What you're looking for is you're looking to see what's going to take place now going forward with GBPJPY. So hence why I don't want to sit in this range. So I'm going either above it or I'm going below it, right? So we'll see what happens with my trend line being respected the other way it has been. So I'm okay for now. Remember, guys, Friday you don't take big entries. Remember the news. You guys need to just have a look at your calendar. I can actually load one up here quickly. All right. Let's just quickly have a quick look at what's happening here. Right, so we have GDP and we have manufacturing, production, and monthly GDP. So these stats are key. I mean, if this forecast is right, that buy sentiment on this buy will be a no-brainer. You can get in from before, so you could get in probably from here already. Opportunity test there. Just move a stop a little bit wider in that case, and you could do something like that as well. So just keep an eye on the news. Things are a little bit neither here nor there right now. As you can see, this is just gonna, this thing will go, it will go, it's Friday. I will look to take something like this, London or pre-New York, like mid-afternoon, 12-ish. SA time should be fine to take this trade. And then before I forget, guys, the reason why we haven't been going live is because of the load shedding. Once I can figure out what the forecasting schedule is, right? Um, I will then upload and update you guys on when we're going to go live. So we're going to try for next week just to see what's happening with this load shedding schedule, so that I don't want to get disconnected during our live sessions, so that I can actually be present for everybody. And I think the last thing I want to do is miss trades with you guys as well. So with that being said, take it easy today, guys. Yeah, that's it for the recap video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys on Sunday for the market outlook. It'll either be uploaded on Sunday or Monday morning, as usual. Yeah, with that being said, keep it moving more than average, guys.